Okay, I'm going to be doing some train sounds. PGH Train Fanatic wanted me to do this, so might as well. Nothing better to do.
Sure was a surprise to get this extra call out. Yeah, the yard is filling up faster than they can get things sorted out again. How did things get so backed up anyway? We've got a new brakeman who seems unable to handle the pace around here. So that's why the yard master's throwing a fit. We'll win some favors if we can get this mess cleaned up. We'll need to switch this before we can get started. I'll head to the office to see if they have it ready. While you're at the office, tell them the lantern on switch number 4 is out. I'm back. I've got the switch list. We can get to work as soon as the maintainer clears the switch area. That shouldn't be long. You know that as long as he's got that blue flag set, we can't move. Clear to go. Maintenance is finished and is clear of the switch area. If only the new brakeman worked as fast, we wouldn't have been called out in the first place.
Here's the other one.
Now arriving from Cincinnati on track 1, train number 26, the Powhatan Arrow. Watch the step, please. Have a nice day. You too. Taxi. Welcome aboard. Ticketed passengers only. Let me help you with your baggage.
Thank you.
Now departing for Norfolk on track 1, train number 26, the Powhatan Arrow. Step right this way. Watch the step, please. Whoa, thanks. All aboard! Conductor's giving us the high ball signal. Let's get down the line.
fright cars. I don't believe I've ever shown you this one with the guy with the lantern coming out. Hold up.